Good morning students. In this class we will be doing class 9 polynomials extra sums. In my previous class I have completed exercise 2.5. So all 5 exercise in the textbook is over. In this class and the next class I will be doing extra sums in that topic. Okay. First sum is if the polynomials ax cube plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 4 and x cube minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a. So in polynomials, what are all the things we have learned? Factor theorem, remainder theorem, factorization of polynomials, then identities, all these things we have learnt. So okay, this one is remainder theorem. So in the remainder theorem, in the question it is given, if the polynomials, so two polynomials are given, leave the same remainder. For example, when we are taking any two polynomials as f of x and p of x. Okay, for both the remainders are same. This is the condition given in this question. So, when I am telling that for this given polynomial, the remainder is 0. Okay, then the other polynomial remainder is same. We are telling that the remainders are same. So, if I am, for example, I am taking it as 0. That means we can equate these two polynomials. How can we equate this? Both the RHS are same. So, we can equate the LHS. So, if we are taking this polynomial as P of x and the second polynomial as f of x, leaves the same remainder, means we can equate both. Okay, same remainder when divided by x minus 3. So what is the x value we have to substitute? X value we have to substitute it as 3. That is x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. So for both it is p of x is equal to p of 3 is equal to f of 3. Understood how you got the p of 3 and f of 3? One more time I will repeat. In the question it is given, both the polynomials are giving the same remainder, leaving the same remainder. For suppose I am taking that the remainders are same, that is f of x is equal to 0 and f of x, p of x is equal to 0 and f of x is equal to 0. So my RHS is same, I can equate the LHS. The ultimately p of x is equal to f of x. So since it is divided by x minus 3, p of 3 is equal to f of 3. So we will equate, we will substitute the values for x in both the polynomials as 3 and when we equate it, we will get the value for a. Very simple only. Okay. Given p of first one is let, everywhere you are only taking this. Let p of x and all it is not given. Only two polynomials are given. So, let p of x is equal to ax cube plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 4. Then, q of x is equal to, here I have taken as f of x. Anything you can take, that is just an example. But I will take it as f of x itself. So, f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x plus a. This is the thing given. Then, according to the question, p of 3, since it leaves the remainder, that is, since it is divided by x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, x value is 3. P of 3 is equal to f of 3. That means, x value, instead of x value, you will be substituting 3. 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. Okay, so this one is 27a plus this one is 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 plus 3 3s are 9 minus 4 is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 12. Sorry, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 12 plus a. So this one is 27a plus 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 minus 4 is plus 41. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 minus 4 is 41 is equal to 27 minus 12 is 15 plus a. So 27, I am bringing this a this side. So it will be 26a is equal to 15 minus 41, that is equal to minus 26. Okay, so 26a is equal to minus 26 and a is equal to minus 1. Minus 26 by 26 is a value is minus 1. Okay. Second sum, if R1 and R2 are the reminders when the polynomials x cube plus 2x squared minus 5ax minus 7 and x cube plus ax squared minus 12x plus 6 are divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2 respectively, if 2R1 plus R2 is equal to 6, find the value of a. So in the previous sum, it is divided by 3, only x minus 3, it is divided by only x minus 3, you are asked to find the value of a. Here, two polynomials are there and it is divided by two different numbers. Okay, for that, first one you are asked to take the remainder as R1. For the second one, you are asked to take the remainder as R2. Okay, then after getting, you will be getting an equation with A in the equation. So, that has to be substituted in this and equal to, and that has to be equated to 6 and then find the value of e. Okay, similar sum only in some other model it is given. That's all. Okay, so it is given respectively. That means for the first polynomial x plus 1 and for the second polynomial it is x minus 2. So, since it is given x plus 1 is equal to 0, x value is minus 1. This is for the first polynomial. That is, let p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x squared minus 5ax minus 7. So, this is divided by minus 1. So, instead of p of 1, it is minus 1. So, when it is divided by x plus 1, you are getting the remainder as R1. This is the condition. Okay. So, you substitute all these things. That is, R1 is equal to, instead of x, you will be substituting 1 minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 the whole square minus 5a into minus 1 minus 7. Simplify this now. Minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1. This is plus 2 minus into minus plus here plus 5a minus 7. So we'll get 5a minus 7 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus 7 is 6. Minus 6. Okay. So 5a minus 6 is R1. Then same way you have to do for R2 also. That is, for the second one it is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 2. For that, the polynomial given is x cube plus ax squared minus 12x plus 6. So that one you take it as q of x. So, let q of x is equal to x cube plus ax squared minus 12x plus 6. So, for this, it is given q of 2 is equal to, q of 2 is, we are dividing it by 2. So, q of 2 is equal to R2. R2 is the remainder. R1 and R2 are the reminders. So, R2 is equal to, you substitute this in this given polynomial, 2 cube. That is, you have to substitute 2. 2 cube plus a into 2 squared minus 12 into 2 plus 6. So, this will be 2 cube will be 8 plus 4a minus 12 2s are 24 plus 6. So, this will be 4a. 8 plus 6 is 14. So, 4a minus 10. So, this is your R2 value. Now, this R1 and R2 value has to be substituted in the given equation. Okay. So, what is the given equation? 2R1 plus R2 is equal to 6. So, we will be substituting in this. We will be substituting in this. So, R1 value is, so 2 times of R1 value is 5a minus 6 plus R2 value is 4a minus 10 is equal to 6. This one when we simplify, we will get the value for a. So this is 10a minus 12 plus 4a minus 10 is equal to 6. This one we will simplify. Okay. So minus 10a plus 4a is 14a, and minus 12 and 10 is 22 is equal to 6. So 14a is equal to 6 plus 22. 6 plus 22 is 28. 14a is equal to 28. A is equal to 2. So this is how it has to be done. Okay. If a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 12, find the value of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this one will be getting in this identity, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So here you are getting this identity, that is this value. You are asked to find the value of this. This you are getting it in this identity only, that is a cube plus b cube identity. But in the question it is given a plus b value is given and ab value is only given. So you can substitute a plus b value here, but we won't be getting the value for this. So for doing this, a cube plus b cube, where you will get it in a plus b the whole cube formula. What is a plus b the whole cube formula? A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So if you take this a cube plus b cube, all the things you can bring it this side, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to, this one I am keeping it this side. Okay, same side I am keeping. All the remaining things I am bringing it to other side. So you will get a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, actually this one it will be here a cube plus b cube. For my convenience I am writing it here. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so now for this a cube plus b cube we got this. So for this a plus b value you can substitute 7 cube minus 3ab. ab value is given as 12. You can substitute it and find the value of a cube plus b cube. Okay, shall we do that? So this one will be a plus b the whole cube is 7 cube. Okay, so this one is 3 into ab value is 12. 3 into 12 into a plus b is 7. Okay, so anyway it can be simplified. Here in this, in both the terms I am having 7 common. So I am taking it out. 7 squared minus 12 3s are 36. So this one will be, for my convenience I am doing like this. 7 cube, you find 7 cube, multiply all these things and you can subtract. That also can be done. So 7 into 7 squared is 49. 49 minus 36 is 13. So 7 into 13. Okay, 7 into 13 is 7 3s are 21 to 91. So 91 is a cube plus b cube. Then a cube plus b cube 91 we will substitute here, and a plus b value is 7. Okay, so 91 divided by 7 is 13. That is the answer. Wait. So I will substitute it. A cube plus b cube value. This one I am substituting here. This a cube plus b cube value I am substituting it here. So I will get 91 is equal to, what is a plus b value? A plus b value is 7 into whatever value they are asking. A squared minus ab plus b squared value only they are asking. So I can write this as 91 by 7. So 91 by 7 is a squared minus ab plus b squared. So what is my answer? A squared minus ab plus b squared is equal to 13. So this is my answer. This is how you have to do. Fourth sum. If a plus b plus c is equal to 6 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 11, find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, so this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is the 8th identity. So what is that identity? You are asked to find the value of that. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula. Okay, for this a plus b plus c value is given as 6 here. So that we will substitute. Then ab plus bc plus ca value also, if you take these three things minus, you can minus of this, you can write all these three terms common, you can substitute 11. What will you do for this a squared, b squared, c squared? You cannot, you don't have any value for that. So for that, you know that square of the trinomial, that formula you can use for that. That is a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the formula. You know this already. So, this a squared plus b squared plus c squared, I am keeping it as it is, a squared plus b squared. For this only we need the value. So, I am writing it like this. This one is a plus b plus c the whole squared plus, in all these things 2 is common. So, 2ab plus bc plus ac. Now, we will find the value for this. A plus b plus c is 6. 6 squared plus 2 into this value is 11. So, this is 6 6 are 36. Okay. So, this one mistake I did. That is a squared plus b squared plus c squared. I am keeping it as it is. So, this one will be first. When I am bringing it from here to here it will become minus. Okay. So, be careful. When you are changing, when you are transposing it, the sign has to be changed. Okay. So, this is 36 minus 22. So, 36 minus 22 is 14. So, this is the value for this a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Okay. Now, we will substitute it in this. So, a plus b plus c is 6. Okay. Into a squared b squared c squared is 14 minus ab bc ca value is 11. So this is 6 into 14 minus 11 is 3. So 6 3s are 18. So this is how you have to do. So today I have completed few extra sums. In the next class I will be doing some more extra sums. So for polynomials full chapter will be over. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Okay.